Price TV. Subscribe now.
The Model 3 was outlined as a littler, stripped-down form of the Model S in a few regards, yet it was designed with totally extraordinary underpinnings with the expectation of bringing down cost and facilitating large-scale manufacturing. That incorporates a downsized body structure made of aluminum and high-quality steel, rather than all aluminum, as in the Models S and X, and an aggregate control weight that isn't substantially more than those of adversary conservative games cars. 3,550 pounds in base frame or 3,850 for the long range, by our estimation. With the back-wheel drive design, a low focus of gravity because of its underfloor battery pack, and 53% of its weight on the back wheels, for the base form, 52% for the long range show, the Model 3 has the potential for incredible driving progression. The suspension comprises of multilink geometry front and back, alongside hostile-to-move bars at the two finishes. The guiding is a variable proportion, speed-delicate framework, and Tesla will offer a decision of 18-inch Aero or 19-inch Sport wheels. In an exceptionally short drive, we're talking 10 minutes, the Model 3 appeared to be zippy and responsive, albeit assist impressions should hold up until the point when we get additional time in the driver's seat.